Hey crafters! Welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name's Katelyn, and today I'm going to do a little product review and testing on this scissor sharpener. So I showed you that I bought this in my Fabricland haul. It was $6.99 and it was also 40% off plus the additional $13 that they were offering as a special. So it was 53% off the $6.99, so it's a pretty cheap product. So let's see how it does. So this is the Tech scissor and blade sharpener. So it basically just says to place the scissors inside the little hole here. So there's a place for the upper blade and a place for the lower blade, and it says to close and pull the scissors towards you using a small amount of pressure. Repeat until the scissors have a desired sharpness. So let's see how it works. Looks like this. So this part's for the upper blade and this plate's for the lower blade. So I've got this pair of scissors here, my purple pair. I've been using this for fabric for a while, but they're definitely dull. So it just said to put them inside. You have to open them kind of wide to get them in. It says to put it in. Close and pull the scissors towards you using a small amount of pressure. Okay, so you're supposed to be able to turn the rods that are in the middle. I would say I almost find it easier to move the actual sharpener itself and just allow it to push the scissors open. So have a really light hand with the fingers that are actually holding the scissors and allow the sharpener to push the scissors open or closed more. Because the little metal pieces inside are like rollers. So I feel like this way is easier than trying to move this back and forth. They don't feel as clippy when I'm closing them. I'm going to grab my other pair of scissors that I use for paper. So these blue scissors I've had for a while and they were never really sharp in the first place even when I bought them, which is why I was using them for paper scissors. But I want to see if this makes any difference. I don't feel as much resistance in the blade. These are a little bit stiffer than the other pair, but I don't feel as much resistance. So I have this receipt here. I'm going to cut into and see. Feels pretty good. Let's cut a little corner off of this. Feels pretty good. I don't feel as much resistance in it at all. So it's definitely a good sign. I'm going to grab a piece of fabric and try out this pair. So here's some black cotton. I'm going to fold it a couple times and see how it does. So it's folded in half, half again, half again. So we've got quite a few layers there. Still could use some sharpening at the end. Go through that many layers. But overall, not too bad. Definitely need some more sharpening right here, but I think it really did make a difference in the kind of mid to inside point of the scissors, because I know I'd cut into a couple pins. There's even a spot right here that I can still feel that needs to be smoothed out a bit. But I really do think that this has made a difference. So at the end of the day with the scissor sharpener, it's a pretty cheap product and the quality is not so great. It is plastic, and this part, the actual scissor sharpening part, actually comes off of this handle. So I think that could partially be a hazard, because as you're sharpening, if you're holding it onto it funny and this pops off, you might fling your scissors or something. I'm not really sure. I did actually have it come off as I was testing it, so I'm not really sure about that part of it. That being said, it was $6.99 and then it was on sale off of that. So I'm not expecting the world out of this product, but I do think that it works. If you're in a pinch and you just really need a good pair of scissors sharpened, then I think it is worth it in a pinch. But I definitely would not be using this on a pair of fabric scissors that are like $100 or something like that. These ones that I was using, I think I purchased for around $15. They might have been on a half price sale day at Fabricland or something like that, but they're definitely not expensive scissors. So if I totally did wreck them, it would not be the end of the world. So I don't think I would use this on an expensive pair. I do think it works, but I don't think this is something that I'm going to have for the rest of my life and that it's going to be a lifesaver for a long time. I think it's just going to be something that I use a few times here or there, and then it'll probably stop working or something's going to break on it, because like I said earlier, the quality is just not there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this product testing and review video. If you have any other requests for products that you'd like me to try out, or anything that you have in mind, make sure to leave a comment down below. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of video, and that way I will know to make more of these in the future. If you make any of my past DIYs, make sure to share it with me on Instagram or Facebook with the hashtag #BecauseI'mCrafty. Make sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you next time, crafters. Bye!